tell you something personal? Many of you know me as someone who teaches English on YouTube, but there is another side of my life that you may not know. Every single day I am chasing not one dream, but two. Today I want to share that journey with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Astamita Talks. I hope you are doing well. Today's video is little bit different. I am not going to teach you vocabulary or grammar today. Instead, I want to have a heart-to-heart conversation with you. Because I believe every dream starts with a story. And today I want to share mine. Many people ask me, what do you actually do? The answer is very simple. I have two dreams. The first dream is to build this YouTube channel and help people improve their English communications with confidence. The second dream is to prepare for SSC CGL and build a stable career. Some people think it's difficult to do both, and honestly, sometimes it is. There are days when I feel tired. There are days when I don't feel motivated. But I remind myself why I started. I started this channel because I know how difficult learning English can feel. I also know that many students come from small towns and villages. Sometimes they think my English is not good enough. I don't have expensive coaching, maybe I can't do it. I used to have similar thoughts. That's why I decided to start this. Even without fancy studio or perfect setup, because I don't want to wait for perfect conditions. I want to grow while learning. And I want you to grow with me. At the same time, I am preparing for SSC CGL, not because it's easy, but because it's one of my goals. Preparing for an exam teaches me discipline. Creating videos teaches me consistency. Learning English helps me in both, whether it's reading or communications, interviews or confidence. English is a skill that stays with us for life. That's why I never see English as just another subject. I see it as an investment in myself. Maybe you are also prepared for SSC CGL, or maybe you are studying for another exam. Maybe you are learning English. Maybe you are working while studying. Whatever your situation is, please don't compare your journey with someone else. Some people have better resources, some people have more time. That's okay. Focus on your progress. Even if you improve just 1% every day, you are still moving forward. Remember, you don't need to choose between your dreams. If you plan your time and stay consistent, you can work toward more than one goal. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey. From today onwards, I'll continue sharing English lessons, practical tips, and sometimes my own learning journey too. If you are also preparing for SSC CGL or any competitive exams, let me know in the comments. I would love to know what dream you are working towards. If this video is inspired you, please give it a like and subscribe to Astamita Talks, and let's keep learning, growing and believing ourselves. See you in the next video. Bye.